Okay, this episode is another cooking episode I'm going to do. Show you how easy it is to be out in the boondocks cooking over a fireplace. That's the bacon's almost done here, and I'm going to be doing pancakes. Okay, now normally I use just regular wood, dead wood that's laying on the ground. But I went down to the dumpster a day ago, and somebody threw out some of these charcoal briquettes. So that's what I'm cooking over right now. Okay. So anyway, the bacon is about done. I'm going to do pancakes. And Walmart, you can get this pancake and waffle mix really cheap. That's a 2-pound bag of waffle mix. What's really nice, if you're boondock camping, all you have to do is add water to make the waffle mix or the pancake mix or whatever. So, and then I use, if I can get it, the maple syrup or honey is good, on your pancakes. And butter. And here's the mix. It's a powder mix. Like I say, that box has got 2 pounds. 2 pounds of pancake mix in there. And all you have to do, it's real simple. Just going to be adding a little water. And then mixing it up. So let me just do this really quick. I got to add a little more water. Hopefully I didn't overfill it that time. And they're really good. Really, really good. Okay. I'm doing this on a smartphone, so you don't have to mix it much. And then I'm going to throw this in the frying pan here. Now that frying pan, you see, has a super long handle. Back in the 1800s, everyone cooked over a fireplace. Okay, you want to leave it kind of lumpy. You don't want to mix it too much. Okay, back in the 1800s, everybody was cooking over a fireplace, basically. So you don't have to. I'm doing this with one hand, so this is a little difficult. It's going to take a little time to. I'm going to make one big pancake. Okay, most of it's not coming out. Wait, give me a second here. I'm going to put the phone down for a second. Just hold on. Okay, I'm back. Okay, but that's kind of the consistency. And that bacon is all ready, so I'm going to take that out. I'm going to make one big pancake here. Where I'm going to push this bacon over to this side here. Okay. Now it doesn't take long to make a pancake. It's a minute and a half on each side. You got a nice pancake. So maybe I'll just leave that bacon in there because I'm doing this on a smartphone, and you know, it's a little more difficult when you're just using one hand doing your cooking and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so I want to cook it 1.5 minutes. It's a really easy, cheap meal. I think I paid $1.50. You know, it was one of those great value pancake mixes. And I've been cooking, using this mix for quite a few meals. There's 2 pounds of powder in there, so that's gonna last you a long time. And you can use, if you don't have maple syrup, honey is really good. And you know, butter is very cheap. All this, it's very cheap, inexpensive, I should say, meal. Let me just turn this over. I think it's about ready. Cut this into 2 pieces here. Okay. And well, there's a lot of fat in there, but you know, and sometimes what I do is after the pancakes are cooked, I put them on paper towels and try to drain out some of the fat and stuff, you know. But anyway, it's another out in the boondocks camping video. Like I say, somebody threw out 2 open bags of charcoal briquettes. They left them outside the dumpster here in the Imperial Dam. So I picked them up, and I'm going to get probably at least 4 campfires out of that. But I really don't need it, you know, because there's so much deadwood out here. It's all over the place. So this is middle April 2021, Imperial Dam long-term visitor area in California. I thought you'd like to see another inexpensive way to make a nice meal on the campfire, so to speak. This is Eagle Eric, signing off.